The woman was too stunned to speak.
What the heck?
It's massive! But what is this even for?
Oh yeah! I got a feeling. That tonight's gonna be. Dude, I have a view. Let's say hypothetically that tonight's gonna be a good night.
Okay.
That tonight is gonna be a good night.
Okay.
I got a feeling. I got a feeling that this is the most insane $17 view I've ever seen. Hello, Las Vegas! How about a hotel tour? This massive space, which I don't really know what it's for. Activities. I literally have 3 of the same shirt, 3 of the same shorts, so I'll be using it. My friends, this is what I call the bathroom. I'm not using it. If they think I'm not gonna use every last drop of that stuff, they're wrong. No, but seriously, my hair, very dirty, frankly. My wife, Haley, loves my hair being curly, but that just means it's not clean. So